Number 11 asks you to draw two molecules, the first of which will be this one, SO4, 2-. This is a sulfate. And again, I like to put the charge on the outside to show that this charge goes with the whole thing. So I'm going to first figure out how many electrons I have. And so I just like to list out the atoms one by one. I look at the group number, and sulfate is 6, or sulfur is 6, so it has 6 electrons. Oxygen is group 6, so it has 6 electrons. And all of these guys have 6. A 2- charge means I have gained 2 electrons. So I've gained 2 electrons, I want to account for that. So if I add all of these up, I have 32 electrons. So within this polyatomic ion, I have 32 electrons to distribute. So I always take the singular atom. There's only one sulfur. I take the singular atom, I put them at the center. Now I want to make these symmetrical if possible, so I have 4 oxygens, so I'm going to put 1 on each side. And now I have my 32 electrons to distribute. So every atom wants an octet for the most part, so I'm just going to start giving out electrons, 8 per atom, 2 per side, until I distribute my 32 electrons. That's 32. And so this is my configuration, and I check and I make sure everybody has their octet that wants an octet. So this is sulfur's cloud. He has 8 within there. And then my oxygen has 8 there, with the covalent bond here, 2 shared electrons there. And all of the oxygens have the same octet. And I can clean this all up, and I can draw it this way. And we can leave all these electrons on the outside off. They're understood. And sometimes you'll see it like this, where they put the charge on the outside to show it's gained 2 extra electrons. Okay, your answer should look like this without the circles. But this is how you'll see it in the book.